wish trenders who are suffering of acne because of masks. Wish Try Love will tell you A to Z about mask knee treatment. There are a lot of wish trenders who have concerns of breakouts after wearing a mask. So today we will talk about mask knee. Alright, so before we begin, let's talk about what causes mask knee. First of all is the exposure to skin inflammation. When we breathe in and out while wearing a mask, the temperature and humidity within the mask rises. This makes it easier for your skin to be exposed to inflammation, which causes breakouts. Now, secondly, it's the irritation you get from the masks. Whenever we wear the mask and take off our masks or talk with the mask on, there is like friction in between our skin and the mask itself. Now, continuous contact damages the skin barrier, causing acne. So let me share with you mask knee care in a nutshell first. Now, first of all, maintain oil and water balance and mild exfoliation for clogged pores. Next, use soothing products for sensitive skin. And lastly, check the material of your mask. So Wish Trend TV has curated something special so you can care for your mask knee. So here is the mask knee repair box. Dun, 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 dun. If you get it within the limited time, you can get 3 blue sheet masks and the skin shield patch as a free gift. And of course, there's global shipping as well as always. The same curation may be on wishtrend.com after the promotion is over, but the discount rates, free gifts, and all the benefits will not be the same. In order to observe the real experience of the products we've curated, today we've invited a guest with mask knee concerns, and she'll be using our products for 2 weeks. Chini said that her skin has become sensitive from her mask, making certain areas really red. She also shared her skin concerns of acne on her chin area and that she has oily skin on the outside layer of her skin, but feels that internal dryness. And because Chini has sensitive skin, she was worried about trying out new products. She says she has sensitive reactions to exfoliating and alcohol ingredients. So the Wish Trend TV team kept those issues in mind. We used a skin analyzer to take a closer look into her skin's current condition. These were the results: sebum, much; moisture, very little; pigmentation, very severe; pores, normal. Chini also quoted moisture was very low and sebum was really high. As you guys can clearly see, pigmentation was very severe. After analyzing her skin, we gave Chini the Wish Try Love box and guided her through the skincare routine and some precautions as well. And Chini used the products the way we asked her to for 2 weeks. Now she's back here today after 2 weeks. Welcome, Chini! 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
How are you?
네, 잘 지냈어요?
오늘 와주셔서 감사합니다.
네, 감사합니다.
네, 이제 2주 됐는데
네.
잘 지내셨었나요?
네, 2주 동안 열심히 화장품 케어도 하고 운동도 하고 바쁘게 지냈습니다.
딱 봐도 눈으로만 봐도 턱 부분이 진짜 많이 좋아지신 것 같아요. 혹시 이걸로 한번 확인해 볼까요?
네.
머치 하이 베리 하이.
Very high.
숫자가 왜 이렇게 높아졌어요? 와. 이거 피디님이 조작한 거 아니죠?
아니요.
이 제품을 써야 되는 거군요. 결국은
결론.
영업당했다.
그럼 또 2주 동안 사용해 보셨는데 혹시 전이랑 후 제일 큰 변화 뭐 이런 게 있었을까요?
며칠 안 됐을 때 이제 바르고 나서 아침에 눈 떴는데 전체적으로 톤이 결이랑 같이 정리가 되더라고요, 얼굴이. 그리고 울긋불긋했던 것도 많이 진정되고 이런 건강한 피부로 좀 바뀐다는 느낌이 딱 들었어요.
혹시 제일 뭐 힘들었던 거 아니면 제일 쉬웠던 거 아니면은 뭐 꼭 하나 이거는 제가 뭐 하려고 노력했다 이런 게 있었을까요?
화장품 바를 때 어려웠던 거야.
어.
그런 거 있었어요.
왜요? 왜 어려웠어요?
수크림은 이제 제형상 이제 스푼으로 떠서 발라야 되는데 스푼이 가끔 잃어버릴 때마다 좀 곤란하더라고요. 그런 게 약간 조금 이렇게 바를 때 좀 헤매느라고 어려웠고 제품 중에 저는 가장 마음에 들었던 거는 젤 클렌저.
오.
그게 딱 이제 씻고 나서 보통은 좀 뽀득뽀득?
뽀득뽀득하고
네,
땡기고.
그 땡기는 느낌이 확 들었었는데 이건 바르고 나서 막 화장품 이제 바르기 전에 시간이 텀이 있는데도 좀 촉촉하고 그런 느낌이 오래 가더라고요.
맞아요.
그 피지가 되게 잘 닦여요, 피지가.
제가 인생 클렌저 하나 꼽으라고 하면 항상 로백틴 클렌저 얘기해요. 저도 개인적으로 되게 예민하고 여드름도 많이 나는 피부인데 진짜 좋아요.
저 진짜 마음에 들었어요.
원래 초반에는 좀 겉에는 오일감이 있는데 안에는 좀 땡기는 internal dryness도 있다고 하셨는데 혹시 그런 부분은 많이 개선됐나요?
네, 여기 좀 땡겼던 이런 부분이 좀 촉촉하게 이렇게 채워진다는 느낌이 다 들었어요.
그리고 저희 스태프분들이 좀 이건 좀 지켜달라 이러고 밀가루 조금 덜 먹는 거나 뭐 물 자주 마시는 거 이런 거 말씀드렸었는데 혹시 그런 건 솔직히 지키셨나요? 아니면 궁금해요. 그냥 편하게 솔직하게.
이제 보고 좀 부담이 되더라고요. 바로 보자마자 저는 이거를 꼭 지켜야 하는지, 왜냐면 이 화장품으로 효능을 확실히 보고 싶은데 식이 조절로 효능을 보면 제가 화장품으로 좋아진 건지 먹는 것 때문에 좋아진 건지 구분도 잘. 그래서 이게 조금 그런 핑계를 대면서 좀 먹는 거는 좀 제가 게을리했어요. 밀가루도 있으면 있는 대로 먹고 맛있으니까. 근데 이제 수분감이 확실히 너무 적더라고요. 제가 이 결과를 봤을 때 그거는 좀 걱정돼서 커피를 원래는 하루에 한 잔, 두 잔 먹었는데 거의 한 잔 먹거나 거의 안 먹는 날도 있었고 안 먹는 날이 꽤 많았어요. 알려주신 팁들이 촉촉하게 이제 속으로 들어가려면 많이 두드려야 된다더라고요. 그래서 진짜 많이 여기 겉에가 뽀송해질 때까지 이렇게 잘 두드리고 자고 그랬어요.
그런 약간 사소한 팁들이 정말 좋은 결과를 보여준 것 같아요. For wish trenders who are worried about mask acne, do you want to know the skincare routine and guidelines that Chini followed? We'll share that with you right now. A big shout out to Chini. Thank you so much for helping us out. Now we're gonna reveal the guidelines and the day and night skincare routine that Chini followed for 2 weeks. Before we begin, there's some things that we asked Chini to do while using the products. We requested Chini to eat less flour-based foods and also to try to sleep really well and to stay hydrated, which is really important. And also, we asked her to try to avoid external skin irritation. Now, let us share with you the skincare routine guidelines. Make foam with cleanser before applying it on your face. Absorb the toner and vitamin serum into the skin before moving on to your next step. If it doesn't absorb really easily, then use small amounts and absorb it into the skin with 2 layers. Yes, these are very obvious and really easy tips, but still very difficult to maintain at times. You will be able to feel your skin improve even by just following these guidelines. Now, we'll reveal the day and night skincare routine. Let's go. Day skincare routine for mask acne. First step is the Rovectin cleanser. Wash away sebum and dirt that has piled up overnight. Then, use the shield patch. Apply the shield patch to your troubled area and press on for 3 seconds. It will protect your skin from external irritation from your mask. Next step is the fig essence. The light consistency of the fig essence quickly absorbs into the skin and provides moisture. Next is the mugwort cream. Use half a spatula of the mugwort cream and apply the cream to the face. It absorbs quickly and the finish is not sticky. Last step is the hemp mask. This reusable non-medical mask will protect your skin in our daily lives. It has good ventilation and will not irritate the skin. Night skincare routine for mask acne. Now, first step is the Rovectin cleanser. Cleanse your face with the Rovectin cleanser, which has a low pH level of 5.7. It is not irritating to the skin and will help to maintain your skin's moisture. The second step is the shield patch. The shield patch will protect your blemishes overnight and absorb any exudation and helps to prevent scarring as well. Next is the fig essence. Fig essence will help with mild exfoliation. It improves skin texture, helping to absorb the next steps of your skincare steps. Next step is the vitamin drop. Vitamin drop will also help with gentle exfoliation and to fade away pigmentation. After, use the mugwort cream. Mugwort will help to soothe acne-prone and sensitive skin. And for last step, let's use the Cica Balm. Apply a thick layer on small areas that needs soothing. Cica will calm the skin and calamine will help to repair damaged skin. Now, the Wishtrend TV team shared with Chini the guidelines of the skincare routine. Chini asked us some questions about the routine, so we thought we'd share that with you guys too because you guys might be curious as well. So the first question that Chini asked was, I heard that cleansing in the morning is a bad idea. Will it be okay? Now, the Rovectin cleanser has a low pH of 5.7 as we mentioned before, so you don't have to worry about that. You can feel that your skin still has that moisture even after cleansing step. And the second question was, how long do I leave the shield patch on for? And I think that's a really good question. Now, you need to leave on the patches overnight or up to 12 hours, and after that, change it to a new one. And the third question was, am I allowed to use the vitamin drop in the morning? And the answer is yes, you can. However, if you are going outdoors, we want to make sure that you wear sunscreen. The fourth question was, between the Cica Balm and the mugwort cream, can I just use one of the creams? And the answer is yes, it is okay to use just one of them. The Cica Balm can be used all over your face. Alright guys, was today's video helpful? Wishtrenders, make sure to try out the skin routine we shared today with the WTL Maskne Repair Box. Remember that this discount rate and the free gifts are only here for 2 weeks with limited supply only. And always, there are a lot of requests after the promotion is over to keep the curation available. So we are going to plan to actually put it up on wishtrend.com, but the discount rates and the free gifts will always change. It will never be the same, okay? So make sure to keep that in mind and get it right now when it's available. The other Wish Try Love deals that we opened in the past all have different benefits now than the original promotion, but you can still find them on sale with 25% discount on our site. So if it's not the Maskne kit that you're looking for right now, you can check out Wish Try Love's section at wishtrend.com. And also leave your skincare concerns in the comments below so we can prepare the next Wish Try Love box with you guys. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in until the very end, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, Wishtrenders!